Oh, the wind blew all night long. It's still pretty cold. Sun's coming up. I'm gonna grab my food bag and get back in the tent. Good morning. Whew. It is still really, really cold. That wind cranked all night long. It did not let up. It's about 6:30. I'm gonna get my stuff together in here and eat breakfast, I think, in here. I don't think I'm gonna attempt to eat up by the shelter. It's just too cold. I slept good, which is a bonus. So I feel rested. But that wind. I'm going to check the weather report for today. And get going. I think it's a 12-mile day today, shorter than the last couple, so that's good. This Charlie's Bunion is coming up next after I leave here. It'd be nice to see that. It was rained out last time we were here. We took the bad weather bypass. But, yeah, we get moving. Chili mac for dinner. I'm changing my mind on this pack of food. There's too much I have to do for lunch with cold hands. Not gonna happen. I'm gonna trade out. Fingers won't work to open this green drink packet, so I can have it for breakfast, so I'll have to wait till I warm up a little bit. When your hands don't work, because they're so cold.
Gonna outrun the rain. The trail is long, it's rocky and it's steep, and there's a chance we'll lose our way. But I've been searching for something real to keep, and in my dreams I got so much to say. Out here on the road I've seen miracles unfold. They show me what the singing's all about. In harmony we'll find that sweet sunshine
All right, I packed up. I just left the shelter. Got my first wet blaze here. What a cold morning. Oh, good morning, AT. Oh, thank you for another day out here. Thank you for the sunshine. And the wind actually did die down quite a bit. I am going to fill up my water right here. This is the water source for the shelter. I was out here last night. I'm gonna get water filled up and then continue on the trail down that way. The wind died down. Amazing. What a gorgeous morning. So today is going to be a 12-mile day. Excuse me. To try Corner Knob Shelter. And I think the plan is to try and do almost 20 tomorrow to get out of the park. Just be done with the Smokies. Talking to people at the shelter and kind of thinking about it yesterday, that seems to be the popular decision. There's going to be a parade of us getting into the shelter tonight and then getting out of the park tomorrow, apparently. That's the popular opinion. That means the Smokies will be done in 4.5 days for me, not 5.5. I'll be a whole day ahead of schedule. Which means maybe I'll take 2 zeros on this trail. I gotta try to navigate down this. So let me do that without falling on my face. So just want to share that plan with you. Possibly out of the park tomorrow. I'd say 99% sure. This is going to be Charlie's Bunyan. The AT officially goes in that direction. This is a Blue Blaze loop that'll bring us back around to the AT. Sherry and I missed this in 21 due to extraordinarily bad weather. So I'm gonna do it today. Gonna get some of these views here. I'll get back to you. This is cool. This is cool. Ooh, yeah. I guess that's the Bunyan. I'm gonna take my pack off and climb up there. Oh, that's awesome. Still up here at Charlie's Bunyan, taking in these views. The photos I was standing up on that peak there, which looks kind of treacherous, and it actually kind of is. Let's see what's on this side here.
I like the little bit of thing where these mountains, when you finish them, like they still go on.
Oh, yeah.
But even then, you're not actually done the whole Appalachian. You have to fly to Scotland to finish the Appalachian Mountains. That's how old they are, as they used to be connected.
Trail coming in this way, and then the loop trail continues around there. So I'll be doing the loop trail today. I wanna see what that's all about. That looks really neat. Little scary coming down here. Got some icicles dripping. Let's get on the other side, have a look. A little sketchy. Especially when you can just fall to your death like that. Alright, this is the Charlie's Bunyan loop off of the AT. But man, wow. That's so beautiful. And I am so thankful to have such great weather for this time around. Ooh, wind. Oh, here's the end of the loop right here. Perfect. That was not bad at all. All right, I'm gonna put the phone away. Sherry, I'm glad I got to see that and show you what it was like. So incredible, what a day. Oh, I'm so lucky to be out here. So incredibly fortunate to be out here. Man. Had to pull the phone out. I've got a feeling this is gonna be spectacular. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ha 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 ha. Wow. I cannot believe how beautiful this is. And I'm protected from the wind. It's at my back behind this little cliff here. That's amazing. I am going to stop for lunch in a little while, or second breakfast, I should say. Oh, there's the wind. Woo, walking on this little ridge line here. That's fun. Next decent spot I see, I think I'll pull over and have second breakfast. This looks like a fine spot for lunch. I can sit, or I can stand in the sun and warm up. I'm somewhat out of the wind here, and I'm at the top of the climb. It just goes down, and then it goes down from here. So I think this is it. I'm gonna cold soak some oatmeal because I didn't eat a proper breakfast, and I've got my lunch in the bag there. What's for lunch? I think it's the zesty lemon bowl thing. Yep. Pasta and beans with tuna. Zesty lemon. Oh, I hate it when it rips sideways. So this one is 180 calories, and it's 12 grams of protein. So that's a lot for, a 4.5 ounce pack. Not a bad calorie to weight ratio overall. I think that's good enough. Rehydrated enough. This is the walnut date and oatmeal, or walnut date and raisin oatmeal packet, and it's really good. Big chunks of, let's see if I can find something here. There's some raisins in there, and dates, big chunks of walnut. Really good. That's called trail clean. You probably wouldn't do that at home, but it's ready for my next meal. The wind has died down. It's kind of off and on, but I think it's died down for quite a bit here, so it's a gorgeous day. Still getting these unbelievable views. Like that. There is a whole lot of climbing today. So came up from there. The trail goes around the corner and it still descends. So I've been climbing up forever. And the trail continues up. It disappears around the bend there into the dark. This is insane. Woo, and it's hard walking. It's just, you know, big rocks and wow. What a day of elevation gain. Tri-Corner Shelter. Made it. Oh, what a day of climbing. Wow. It's 2:30. I'm gonna find myself a tent spot and settle in for the day. I'll get back to you. I am exhausted again today. The Smokies are killing me. I mean, you know, it doesn't help that I'm hiking bigger miles too. So this is my, I think, 5th 15-mile day in a row. I'm going to get out of the Smokies tomorrow. It's going to be close to a 20-mile day. It's like a 18.7, so 19-mile day. Sherry's going to meet me down at Davenport Gap. And then I'm going to take 2 zeros. I'm going to have 2 full days off. The weather today was spectacular, as you saw. Started out cold again, but the winds kind of died down and the temperatures bumped up a bit to make it very comfortable walking. I'll show you my setup here real quick. I am all set up here at Tri-Corner Knob. I've eaten my dinner. Everything in the food bag is ready to go. I just have to brush my teeth and put those things in there. I've separated out my meal and snack selections for tomorrow, so I don't have to do that in the morning. I'm hoping to leave pretty early tomorrow morning. With the big mile day, there's one big climb, and then the majority of the day is strictly downhill into Davenport Gap. I did want to say that the last 2 videos could have been taken as negative, I guess. I wasn't so much, well, there's hard days out here, there's no doubt. And the last 2 days were the hardest I've had so far. Both physically, you know, the cold, the wind, getting wet at the end of that one day and just not being able to warm up. Emotionally hitting Clingman's Dome, you know, mile 200. All kinds of things going on. The terrain was rough, the big miles, everything, all of it. So I wasn't being negative as much as I was just being real. It's a struggle. Every day is a struggle out here. Every day is a challenge. And, you know, just because you might complain a little bit doesn't mean that you're still not enjoying yourself. And I am absolutely enjoying every bit of being out here. So I just wanted to clarify that. Just trying to keep the days real. Today was a really good day. Very hard physically, but it was a really good day. Looking forward to crawling into bed and getting a very early night's sleep. It's only 5 o'clock, I think. It's 4:30. I'm all done. I'm going to brush my teeth and just lay down. Sleep in and out, whatever. Like I said, I'm going to try to get an early start tomorrow so I can get those miles in. But still having a great time out here. Never once have I even entertained the thought of, you know, calling it quits. It's, you know, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. You get through the struggles and you move on, and the next day is a new day. Better, worse, same, whatever, it's a new day out here, and I'm very thankful for every day I have out here. So I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I'm enjoying myself tremendously. Thank you very much for watching.
In my eye, not ashamed of where I've been. I'm looking ahead now, I'm on the right road. Gonna outrun the rain, gonna throw away the pain. I'm living right cause I'm following my heart. Gonna outrun the rain, gonna celebrate the changes on the highway of legends. It's written in the stars. Gonna outrun the rain. Heroes that I know sing songs of long ago. They lift me out.